welcome back. Today we're going to do a very simple, quick video, how to pigeon pose. And you may recognize where I am. I'm kind of back filming at one of my favorite places then, kind of in Saltdean. As you can see, kind of up on the rocks then. We're going to head over to there in a moment. Come on. Okay, we want to begin in a downward dog, and then the right leg coming forward, the right leg bent kind of in a 45-degree angle. Make sure your right knee will land to the right side of your mat. Don't have that right knee over to the left. So try your best to get the right knee more over to the right side of your mat. Your left leg will then want to point back low and straight. Your hip, make sure they are square. Don't lean over into the right and don't lean over into the left. Have those hips square. You are then ready to carefully lower upper body down towards the mat. So already you should have gained that big deep stretch in your right glute. Now likely that will already feel deep enough, but we can make it deeper if needed. If we have the right foot, the right ankle pushed further forward away, making more of a right angle, we're going to gain a much bigger deep stretch. But be careful of the right knee. That can cause then too much pressure to build in your right knee. So maybe have a play with that, the different angle combinations you could make whilst you are in a pigeon pose. Remember, you want to feel the stretch in the right glute. You don't want to build too much pressure in the knee. And that's pretty much it. You would then of course do the left leg. I hope you have enjoyed that, and you can use that then at home after your own routines, after a run. Maybe you use it during a yoga routine. And then once again, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If so, then yeah, please leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.